Good morning. Just getting to the office. It's the first day of October. It is currently vlogtober, as the kids say. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna see if I can do it, see how it goes, see if this content is even something you'll enjoy. I'm about to punch in. I got my gallon, as you can see, for 75 hard. Try to get that done before I leave the office, or it's one less thing I have to worry about for the rest of the day. So right now I just gotta open up the office, get all the doors and so forth. So I will check in with you when the day is done. Today is my early day, so that's always a good thing.
How are you looking the rest of the week?
So Thursday might work.
You obviously know about social media and all that. But
Yeah, it's Instagram to YouTube, and it's been frustrating because I'm like, what the heck? But it is what it is. We'll conquer the beast, you know.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. This is something very doable. I think you have the hardest part done, which is having the actual product.
Okay.
Yeah. So now the ad thing, it's just a matter of making sure that we're advertising to the right people and being constant, right? And going from there.
Okay. Perfect. Cool, man. All right, so we'll talk Thursday. So as you just saw, I was just on the phone talking to a buddy of mine I met through Instagram. His name is Josh Torres. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below. Please go give him a follow. We're just talking about marketing and advertisement strategy for Stealth. Obviously got the hats out now. Link down below. Grab one if you can support me. I'd appreciate it. Shirts coming soon, and same with hoodies. It's fall time, so you know the hoodies are gonna be a hit. I got a good feeling about them. Right now, I am going to go get a workout in. I gotta get this pre-workout in my system, and then we're gonna go pump some iron. Catch you after that. Okay, so we're back from the gym. I just went on my walk for 75 hard. The only thing I have left to do there is to read and take my progress picture, because I didn't do it this morning. So I gotta make sure I do that before I go to bed. Otherwise, I gotta start over. I'm gonna end the first day of vlogtober here. Yes, I know, super eventful, but hopefully you're gonna get some value out of what I'm going to say next. And that is, you can literally do anything. And I know that sounds rah-rah, and it sounds, you know, stereotypical me preaching that you can do anything, but it's so true. And if you asked me a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and you said, will you have a clothing brand? I said, I would like to. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but as long as you keep your goal in mind and you work towards it, you take one step every day towards it, and you just keep that picture in your mind, the how will present itself. And I know you've probably heard that a million times in all these like self-help books, but it's true. It's true. If you just have that vision, if you just want something bad enough, the how doesn't matter. People who are resourceful have resources presented to them. If not for anything, on this day, on this first day of October, make a decision. Make a decision to go after what you want and hold that clear image in your mind, and I promise you, as long as you have that vision and as long as you want it bad enough and you're taking just one small step every single day, you'll figure it out. Consistent action and perseverance, that's all it takes. And it took me almost 30 years to figure that out, but it's true. So I hope you have a great first day of October, and hopefully you got at least this little nugget out of it. This is like throwback old Project Life documentary style days. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great night.